Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been outlining fences for so long now. Oh, you are a hard one. I know that you got your reasons. Did you think that are pleasing you can hurt you somehow? Don't you throw the king of diamonds, boy, she'll beat you if she able. You know the king of heart is always your best bet. Now seems to me some fine things have been laid upon your table, but you only want the ones that you can get. Desperado, oh, you ain't getting no younger. Your pain and your hunger, they are driving you home. And freedom, oh freedom, well that's just some people talking. Your prison is walking through this world all alone.